Alright, keep your eyes on me. Walk my feet. Ready? Now! Now you're not able to escape, okay? Okay, this is good already. Good. Let's open the box then. Here we go. Check. Check all the cycle. Okay, check everything, all the cycle. Okay, you can bring it with your hand, okay? Okay, here we go. So put it, check it inside. You can put your hand and feel with your mirrors. No mirrors. Okay, now, let's fill the box. Check the color. I'd like to meet my assistant. You are not a girl.
Magician pala yun ah.
Okay? Lock the girl.
Apat na ka, no?
Make it tight. Okay? We don't want the hair to slip through easily.
Dapat lock na, oh.
Okay,
Dapat lock.
see? Alright, now we do the same thing to the outer hair. Okay, put that in first. Okay. Now the only thing that can open those locks are these keys. Alright? Sure, double check na isa na mabuti. Isa na mabuti. Alright, thank you so much, Ricardo. Let's give you a big round of applause. Okay. Thank you so much, sir. Now, this piece, we're going to throw them away, okay? What you're about to see now is going to happen really fast, okay? Do not play your life. Let's begin. Alright, keep your eyes on me. Walk my feet. Ready? Now!
Ah! Galing! Mahusay!
Thank you so much, everyone, for watching the Magic Show. My name is Lizzo, and happy birthday to our celebrants, Nathan and Natalia. Good night, everyone. Enjoy the rest of the party.
Yeah, let's get a big